For your business, you need to take charge of your carbon emissions and with the possibility of reducing operating costs by using the benefits of what nature can offer and what technology can offer. Besco was founded in 2013 as a cooperative.
Welcome to the Montessori Place.
We wanted to create a different way of doing business. Being a social enterprise is really important for us to communicate to our customers that we're not in this for the profit. We are in it because we want to change energy provision and we want to create a future for the next generation. What we do is we raise money in the community and we invest in projects within the community. So it's a virtuous circle. The Besco model is really all about eliminating all of the barriers to the uptake of renewable energy and energy efficiency in order to achieve net zero, and we want to do that as quickly as possible.
The Montessori Place is a school for children aged from 1 through to 18, and we currently have 140 students.
My name's Isaiah and I'm 15.
I'm Nina and I'm 16 years old.
It is possible to live carbon-free. Most, if not all, the technologies that we need to do so are already invented.
A day in the life of someone in 2050. I went to the bathroom to get the microbial fuel cells powered up for the day.
Our emission target is 0 in months rather than decades. 5 years ago we took on a big new rural site and it was obvious to us that we needed to think immediately how we decarbonise. There's the first array of the panels. The building we took over was running on oil central heating, incredibly inefficient and incredibly carbon intensive. This is the monster, the dinosaur.
Yeah, it was filled about 10 times a year, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So when we look at what was happening in this building before, burning 20,000 litres of oil to properly heat the building, all of the measures combined are saving about £4,600 per year for the school, and that's after what they pay Besco. So they're quids in, as well as the equivalent of planting 1,061 trees every year or taking 17 cars off the road. So on one site, the contribution is quite substantial. It's about matching the economics with carbon emissions. There's a certain margin that the customer will accept. They may pay a small premium to make the switch, but they're not going to pay over the odds to decarbonize. We exploit all of the tax regulations that are available, the subsidies that are available, any grants. We optimize those for our customers so that we're bringing in all the arsenal in order to make it work economically.
Besco has helped us do it in a way that has not incurred any capital costs or any increase in our school running costs. They deliver these projects on time, the terms start when they need to, there's the heating and hot water there for the children when they need it.
We help them through that process to make sure that they get the right technology to fit in that framework of their buildings, their built environment. And we do that over and over again. It's a replicable model and it can happen at scale.
Yeah, the air source heat pump that heats this lovely building with the solar panels on the roof, the underfloor heating that goes with this, and all the insulation for this building. And it's just such a lovely workspace inside now. It's for the youngest children, so kind of 3 to 6 year olds, and they're on the floor and it's just so lovely. And then on the main building, this incredible experience over the summer where drilling rigs come in, they dug these boreholes, dug a trench, ran those pipes around, ripped out our old 2 oil burners, replaced that with this incredible array of Titanic-like piping, and then really overnight the building is being heated and hot water being supplied by the ground source heat pump, taking heat from the earth and the sun and allowing us to turn on the taps and have lovely hot water.
So this is a diagram of the ground source heat pump, which I made to inform people how it works. It starts with these 13 holes outside in the garden to absorb the heat from the ground, and the ground source heat pump converts it into hot water.
So here's where it comes into the building, and this is the plant room.
Nicely insulated pipes.
Very nice.
Wow.
In the school here we have 2 heat pumps. We can take water out of the ground at about 10 degrees. It never really drops below 10 degrees. And the heat pump can raise the temperature of that water to up to 60 degrees. And the really clever thing is it can deliver 4 kilowatts of heat for 1 kilowatt of electricity in. So you're getting a 400% efficiency in terms of heat delivery.
It's amazing how much work was done.
In any change like this, what one expects is the unforeseeable, the problems that come up that we're not expecting. And at every stage, Besco has been here to help us get through those problems. And as a result, we as a school community have grown more committed, more passionate, more fervent in our belief that this is what we want to do for the future.
All we need is people to wake up, realise the potential brighter future.
I wrote a reminder to myself to switch on the power for electricity from the excess solar PV. I cooked myself dinner, again using sewage biodigester, and then sat down to watch some TV.
What we as a school are also doing is creating a space where the young people are seeing adults solving this climate problem and not leaving it to the next generation to solve.
This country has always been a leader. Other countries look to us for leadership. And so for your business, you need to take charge of your carbon emissions and with the possibility of reducing operating costs by using the benefits of what nature can offer and what technology can offer.